Are you ready to find out what is in CFO Cares? We are here in Inares Sports Arena, Pasig City to take part and enjoy the services of the medical and dental mission as well as pre-lab clothes for the brethren with their guests. Ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Tara at samahan nyo kami i-explore ang CFO Cares. Pagpasok pa lang ng arena ng mga kapatid at mga panauhin, kailangan nila mag-register for consultation.
Attendance is a must, mga kapatid.
Lalapit sila sa nursing station upang kunin ang kanilang mga vital signs. After that is the time for consultation.
After consultation, free!
And of course, for the exciting part, pre-lab clothes to choose para sa lahat ng nakipagkaisa.
Exciting with love? Yan ang CFO Cares!